Hello everyone, hope you guys are at home and safe. Firstly, a very happy Independence Day to all out there. So, when it comes to independence, the very next thing which comes to our mind is freedom, isn't it? Freedom to speech, freedom to write, freedom to choose. And today, I'm gonna talk about a very special topic and something very close to my heart, and I always wish to talk about it. So I choose the freedom to talk about periods. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to talk about periods. And there is nothing shame, of talking about it. So let's talk about it and break the shame. If you are one of the women or girls who feels ashamed of or who think uncomfortable of talking about periods in front of certain people or in front of opposite sex men, please don't. It's just unacceptable to feel this way, to feel shame about talking a period. Something natural has been made so embarrassed in our society and culture. So it shouldn't be like that, isn't it? And for the men who thinking after coming to this video section, just scroll up, this is all about women. So it's not like that. If you care about the women in your life, may it be your mother, your wife, your friend, your daughter, just stay there, listen to this video, because this is something very important to you also, because these are the time when a lady or women need special love, care and attention. So this video is not specifically a gender specific video, this is for both men and women, because it's in high time to break this taboo of menstruation and not talking about this in front of everyone. Some women feel embarrassed about it and some men think it has a disease, though this is the reason you and I are here right now, isn't it? There are many changes happening in a woman body during these times, like menstrual cramp, pain, headache, nausea, PMS, and PMSs are real. Trust me, guys. Mood swings at peak. In my case, especially, I don't have any pains and all, luckily. But yes, I do have mood swings a lot. I get very angry. I get very irritated, anxiety, and all these things happen. So, men, you least can do during these days to your mother or your friend or your sister is help them during their daily chores, during some helping them in their work, and don't treat them as different during these days. And for women, there are certain things you girls need to take, and I'm sure you girls might be taking care of, is like having a good water intake. This is very important because the daily the amount of blood loss we go through, so we need to keep well hydrated on during these days. And secondly, pH balance. Yes, you need to maintain the pH balance down there by using any intimate wash, good intimate wash. And third is exercise. Yes, I won't say do a rigorous kind of exercise, but yes, there are certain amount of exercise and meditation is always helpful, and you will feel very good and chill. You can have a herbal tea. And chocolates, yes, who doesn't love chocolates? And chocolates actually keep your mood very calm, and also you can have chocolates, pamper yourself, enjoy yourself during this period. So yes, guys, these whole 1 week will be celebrating and embracing womanhood, and these whole week will be talking more about periods and educating everyone about periods. And there's this humble request to everyone: if you guys want to share something, your story, any tips or anything about period, please make a video and do tag us, and do post it on your walls too. And there is nothing feel awkward about talking about, isn't it? So these Independence Day, me and my blogger friend and few brands have been collab together for this campaign, wherein we will be spreading this awareness to each and everyone out there. So there's this two hashtag which we are supporting, that is, one is let's talk about periods, of course, and the second one is hashtag we are in pain together. So these are the two hashtags which we will be supporting, and you will be seeing many stories and posts and lot many things during this 1 week on my wall, on my post. So stay tuned and let's talk about it and break the shame. So I really wish you all to support us in this campaign, awareness campaign, and let's celebrate this Independence Day in this true essence, isn't it? So hoping a very 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 happy Independence Day to all. And one more thing which I would like to add is there's a small surprise coming up, and for that you need to stay tuned to our page. So once again, see ya. Happy Independence Day. Thank you so much.